Hello friends, this is June Bergoñas and welcome to Ignition Marketing. Congratulations for taking action and thank you so much for joining Ignition Marketing. Ginawa ko ang video na to give you an orientation kung paano natin mas masisimulan ng tama ang business sa Ignition Marketing. Step number 1, you need to watch the 8 Freedom Pledge na makikita mo once na nag-open ka ng Ignition Marketing account mo. Ano ba yung purpose kung bakit mo kailangan panoorin yung 8 Freedom Pledge? Ang 8 Freedom Pledge ay ginawa ng mga IM founders natin to make sure na nasa tamang direction ka sa paggawa ng business dito sa Ignition Marketing. So, step number 1, you need to watch the 8 Freedom Pledge. Step number 2, you need to join to the Facebook private group ng Ignition Marketing. So, punta ka sa Facebook mo and then search for Ignition Marketing Team. Once na nakita mo na yung group, just join there, and then kontakin mo yung Ignition Marketing support para mas mapabilis ang pag-accept sa request mo sa group. Ang purpose naman kung bakit kailangan mo mag-join sa Ignition Marketing Group is para makipag-socialize ka sa ibang affiliates ng Ignition Marketing. And then, para kung may mga additional questions ka, ay mas masasagot ng tama at mas masasagot ng mabilis yung mga questions mo. Just post your questions there and then sure ako na may mga sasagot sa'yo na other affiliate or other member ng Ignition Marketing. So, step number 2, you need to join to the private Facebook group na Ignition Marketing. Okay? Then, step number 3. Step number 3, you need to prepare your things. You need to prepare your notes and then you need to prepare your computer. Sa notes naman, kailangan mo ng notebook or notes na specific lang sa mga Ignition Marketing lessons. And then, sa mga computer softwares naman, kailangan mo lang yung tatlong basic na software which is yung Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay? Then, for the tips, habang pinapanood mo yung mga Ignition Marketing trainings, kailangan mo na panoorin ito as many times as possible to make sure na ma-absorb mo yung mga knowledge and wisdom na gustong iparating sa atin ng mga IM founders natin or nung training na Ignition Marketing. So, for your assignment, gusto kong maging familiar ka sa web hosting, websites, domain names, and then autoresponder. Okay? So, as I promised to you, before ka mag-join sa Ignition Marketing, matatanggap mo yung Internet Marketing Jumpstarter Training na galing sa akin sa mga susunod na araw. Dahil gusto ko muna mag-focus ka sa mga trainings na under na Ignition Marketing. Then, para hindi rin maguluhan yung isip mo sa dami na information na pwede mong matutunan. Okay? So, see you on my next video. And then, for now, enjoy learning muna sa Ignition Marketing. Then, okay, enjoy learning and see you in my next video. Bye!